Often organisations haven't got that aviation knowledge or background to bring all of that safety and the regulatory information that they need day to day.
We're there to help develop your initial baseline risk management plans, training content, really looking at the key roles and responsibilities of CRP.
Just following the legislation, it can be overwhelming for some, so that's where we can be reached out to for help and support along the way.
When you're starting your operations, there's a lot of decisions to make, and one of the most important ones is the compliance software that you use. This is where Hover UAV can help you by setting up your compliance system to its maximum benefit to ensure that you're using all of the tools and features that are available to you. And we can also provide you with a matrix that will point to the specific areas of your operations manual and the specific area of your compliance software to ensure that all of your obligations under regulation are met and you're ready for a future audit with the regulator.
We don't just do, approvals and that training support. The one thing we have been doing a lot of is really supporting an organisation. Our operational support is, we can act as chief remote pilot, we can act as maintenance controller, but we're here to help organisations as they grow, whatever they need. We have pilots ring up every day and they might want to know where they can fly. We set up all their systems and procedures and do all their daily flight approvals. We check compliance, we do monthly reports. But we're here to help organisations as they grow, whatever they need.